Hello everyone, I am Rajab Mohammed Imam. Welcome to virtual machine creation tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create a virtual machine. Already I have my virtual machine workstation downloaded from the VMware workstation website. So you can download yours as well. And all you need to do to install it is just to double click on the program that you download and you follow the default instructions. So now I have mine installed. So I'm just going to create a virtual machine and then I'll open it. So on the first window home page that open from the VMware workstation, you see different options, what you can do with it. So here we are just going to create a new virtual machine. So I click on create new virtual machine and then instruction come. I'm going to take the default instruction. I click on next and then here I'm going to select the ISO file which I have already on my desktop, Windows 7, and then I'm going to select it and then I'll follow next. Here I'm going to enter the key, the serial key for Windows installation 5A O2H have AU 243 TZ J49 and GTC 7K and 3G6 1N, and then I'm going to put the name I want to show that is Rejab on my machine, and then I can put password. So now I'm just going to create a simple password that I'm going to use to log into my system. Yes, so I'll click on next and I'm just going to follow default installation. So this is going to be, I'm naming my own window. I'll just call Windows 7 Raj. That's the name I just want to show on my VM virtual machine. So, and then I just allocate some space. I just need like 10 gigs. So I'm going to configure, I'm reducing the size of the hard drive that I want. So I need just 10 gigs. So I will just finish and then the installation should be able to come up. So I'll follow every installation procedure for Windows. So this is going to take a lot of time. So all you need to do to follow the instruction for installing Windows are going to be more. So I'm going to skip some of those stages. So later on, you're going to see. As you can see, Windows 7 setup is coming up, it's starting Windows. So I'm waiting for the window to come and then you follow instructions and then it's going to take some time. I choose the type of operating system I want to install. Now I'm going to install Windows 7 Ultimate. I'm choosing x86, which is 32-bit operating system, and I'll click next. I'll click on next and then I will wait until it's load. It's going to copy Windows file, expand Windows, then install the feature. So it's going to take some time. So just sit patient, don't be in haste because each one will take up to 100% before you can move to the next process. Yeah, as you can see, the window is still installing. Now it's still expanding Windows file. It's up to 72% now. So if this stage finish, it will enter another stage and then it will continue. So it's just sit back and relax until your installation complete because it's going to take a lot of time. So my 100% has complete and then it's already installing the updates and then the next stage is going to be completing the installation and then the window is going to restart. It's going to reboot very soon. Once this stage complete, it's going to restart the window and then I'll just finish up the installation of Windows. So now the window is already restarting. As soon as this restart is done, I'm just going to set up my window operating system and then it's ready for my VMware workstation. So window is starting now. The window is already starting. I'm just waiting. It's going to take some few seconds to come up and then so my setup is starting services. And after all this stage is complete, it will ask me to enter my password that I enter when I was installing my own window. By default, it's not necessary that you create a password. So it's completing the installation. This is the last stage for my window to be ready. It's still taking another last procedure. Now it's restarting my window. So I'm just waiting for the window to come up now again. So if the window come, so as you can see, the setup is preparing the computer for the first time use, because once you finish installation, normally it's going to prepare your computer, and then this is how it's going to take me. Now it's checking the driver video performance, and it's going to check all the hardware requirements for the system if it match, and then the same hardware capability are going to be available in the virtual machine. So the installation is complete now. It's just preparing my desktop environment for the window, and everything is complete. If you are here, congratulations, your window has already complete installed, and then you have your Windows 7 on a virtual machine, and you can install other software on this VMware. As you can see, I have my recycle bin and other software there. So we would like to end this tutorial here, and then if you can do this, then you have another operating system installed on a virtual machine. Thank you. I am Rajab Mohamed Imam.